Hello all beautiful people, this is Aziz once again from 10-Minute School, and today I'm going to discuss some very common expressions we use, so very common phrases, and you would find them more common if you already have been watching movies, because these expressions or phrases are frequently used, especially in American or British movies. Well, if we look at the first one, it says, I'm not fast. I'm not fast. Not fast. Okay, let me give you the situation exactly when you say so. For example, someone asks you, what would you like to eat? Where would you like to go? So someone is asking for your say. Where would you like to go? What would you like to eat? So you just say answering, I'm not fast. Not fast. I'm not fast means I'm not bothered. So you can say similarly, I'm not bothered means I would say like no preferences. Now normally British people, if you ask someone like where would you like to go, if they want to say like they have no preferences, no priority, they would definitely be answering this way, I'm not fast. Not even like I'm not bothered. So I'm not fast. So you can actually use it when you speak in English, and that's a very brilliant use. Okay, next one. Might as well. And let me give you a situation. So for example, you attend a party, and somehow you feel very bored in the party, and you think in your mind, I might as well stayed at home. So this is like, it would have been better if you wouldn't have come in here and you would have stayed at home. So instead of saying like I might stay at home, you can say I might as well stayed, or I might as well have stayed at home. Let me write that for you. I might as well have stayed at home, which is present perfect. So you find that place boring and you say I might as well have stayed at home. Again, a very frequently used British English people use it. Well, fair enough. For example, I owe some money to someone, and I say like, is that okay if I pay you day after tomorrow, as I wouldn't be able to pay like probably tomorrow. So I say, is that okay if I pay you day after tomorrow? And you can answer this way, fair enough. Means it's a yes. So from my side, there is no problem. So you can say answering fair enough means sounds okay. You can say sounds okay. So you have borrowed a laptop from someone and you need to return that back, and you say like, I need to just quickly prepare an assignment. So can I bring it back to you like day after tomorrow? Okay, fair enough. Again, it's a very common expression and very frequently used. Well, next one. It is I suppose so. For example, you look at someone and you say like, I think he's a zombie. And you say like, I suppose so. I think he's a zombie, I suppose so. I suppose so means I think so. I think it is. I think so. Again, that's a very commonly used expression, mostly by the British people. Okay, next one. I'm afraid. Now, I'm afraid means actually in sense like I'm sorry. For example, can you come to today's party? Someone asks you, can you come to today's party? And you can answer saying, I'm afraid I cannot. Or you can say, I'm afraid not. Or some of us, we make a sentence like this, I'm afraid that I cannot attend the party. Now, I tell you, in speaking, using that all the time is not always very smart. So here I have seen some people making sentences like this. With afraid, they have always been using that. I'm afraid that I can't do that. I'm afraid that I wouldn't be able to go there. So I guess you can get rid of that. So you rather say, I'm afraid not. Can you come to the party tonight? I'm afraid not. I'm afraid I can't. So that means, I'm sorry, I guess, excuse me, I wouldn't be able to come. So guys, I hope these common expressions would help you out a lot, and I would rather reckon that you try and use them in your daily expressions regularly, and that would definitely add on to the beauty of your spoken English. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Bye-bye.